Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash, to my Twitter next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, you can see that I'm on a 15-minute chart of gold. Usually, I prefer to I prefer to trade on the hourly chart. But yes, due to the ongoing low volatility of the market, I'm on a 15-minute chart because we know it very well that before Christmas, after Christmas, and till the second week of Jan, market prefers to stay low volatile. Market enjoys the holiday mode, because of which we don't get much opportunities on higher time frame. So if you're also a day trader, then yes, it's time to switch to a lower time frame. And if you don't want to trade, that's a good decision. Okay, this is a festive season right now, so yes, you should spend some nice time, quality time with your friends and family. So this is the 15-minute chart of gold in front of us, and we can see that right now gold is standing at 2036. And let's look at the market sentiment here. Gold prices gain on softer dollar. Gold prices edge higher on Thursday, held by softer dollar and lower treasury yields, as traders look forward to November US inflation data due out on Friday for more clues on the Federal Reserve's monetary policy outlook. So market is waiting for news that is coming on tomorrow. Okay, tomorrow we have a news coming up where we'll be having the US inflation data. Okay, and after that, market will be on holiday. You can see 25th holiday, 26th holiday. So yes, so market is full on party mode. So at first, let's look at DXY then. Gold in sorry, US dollar index. Okay, yesterday I made a mistake. I said 102.50. Okay, actually the low of DXY is 101.75 right now. And as we all know it very well, that DXY's position is not very bullish right now. Overall, the market is bearish. Sellers are dominating, but still DXY is trying to recover. US dollar index is trying to recover, but we don't have any fundamentals or any fundamental factor or news right now that will bring a trend reversal. In absence of any fundamental factors, no market can go for a trend reversal. And right now we don't have the backing yet. But due to low volatility and due to the upcoming festive season, obviously we can expect that market will remain sideways. DXY being sideways doesn't mean that there is a trend reversal. DXY is just sideways because of low volume. Okay, so in case market breaks 101.75, then we can consider that market is going down again. But till then, we can expect that market will remain sideways, okay, for the next couple of days because of low volatility. And in case market or DXY surprises us with upside, then 103.30 to 103.10 will be the next resistance. And 102.70 is also there, but this should be a level where we can expect strong sellers are present. My dear friends, I get a lot of requests to recommend a signal service because many of you doesn't get time to give to the market. You don't get time to watch the market. You miss the opportunities. As a result, you always look for a signal service. And my dear friends, today I have a solution for you, and you can see on the screen. For the last couple of weeks, I have been talking about FastBull, their awesome economic calendar, their analysis, etc., etc. But today we will discuss about their signal service. Yes, the signal service, AI signal service of FastBull is also equally efficient. My dear friends, if you're looking for signals, then yes, you can consider fastbull.com, their website, their mobile application, and the signal service is also pretty damn good. But keep in mind, without risk management, no signal service is going to give you profit. Don't forget that. So these are the signals of FastBull, and you can see that the best part is that they maintain clear transparency. You can see in the statistics, okay, right now they are following 8 strategies, and how many signals have been generated? 595. And you can see the win rate is around 60%. So risk management is extremely important. If you follow proper risk management, you can end up in profit. Okay, and you can see profit to loss ratio is 1.93%, which is quite decent. And these are the signal providers, and you can see that they have also mentioned their ranking so that you can understand that which signal provider has a better accuracy. For example, trend reversal trading strategy has given 86.2 pips. Okay, for example, okay, sell euro NZT. Okay, you can see the open position entry price is this, TP is this, SL is this. So after taking the entry here, okay, you can see right now it's a little bit downside, but this is the TP. In most of the signal service, okay, you always see that the risk to reward ratio is not in your favor, but in this case you can clearly find out that the risk to reward ratio is in your favor and you won't find a problem here. On the right hand side, you can see who has given a signal. Small positions add up, and their ranking is 2. Profit and loss, you can see plus 1273 pips, which is quite decent. How many signals? 30 signals. Average holding time is 3.2 days. Win rate ratio is 71.43%. And you can also see a trading calendar just below it. So, my dear friends, if you're looking for signals, then yes, FastBull can be the solution for you, but with proper risk management. So, check out the link in the description and the comment section. And see that on the chart of gold, the range is still the same here, and we can expect the market to stay inside the range only. We have the range of 2050 on the downside and 2000 on the downside. So this is the bigger range of gold, and we can expect that at the time of Christmas, after Christmas, and on the first week of January, also market will stay inside the range only. So from a day-to-day perspective, obviously you can see the market is going down today. Market is trying to recover, but if we look at the overall trend here, then we cannot deny that gold is inside the range. So we have a range of 500 pips here. Okay, so my dear friends, so if you're swing trader, if you're position trader, okay, yes, you can go for buy at support, sell at resistance, but right now you can see that market is stuck in the middle. So if you're a positional trader, swing trader, this is not the ideal time for you. So you can see that I have marked few lines here. So let's try to understand. So yesterday we discussed about the supporter 2030, 2031. So yes, there was a dip in the market, but yes, more or less we can see that we got the profit we expected. And right now we can see market is standing at 2035. So during the day, okay, we have a support around 2022. Then we have a support around 2015 and then 2010. So these are the three levels where we can expect the market to take support and where we can expect a buy position. If you want to know, let me show you. Okay, so we have drawn Fibo from here. And you can see yesterday Fibo perfectly bounced from Fibo's market perfectly bounced from Fibo 61.8% retracement level. So we have Fibo 786 at 2022. So we are expecting that around 2022, because of Fibo 78.6 as well as previous support, market will have some buyers around this area and we can definitely expect a buy. Then we have support on 2015. Why 2015? You can see when the market fell, this was the level from where the trend of the market reversed. Okay, so we have a good bias around this area. 2015, 2016, we have also a good support. And then 2010, already I showed you many times that we have a good support from the Fibo 50% retracement level on the overall picture. So 2022, 2015-16 and 2010, 2009 are the levels where we can look for buy position as a day trader. So how much you can expect then? So in this market condition, 30-40 pips is also good enough. Okay, and similarly, okay, if the trade goes on the other side, if the trade goes wrong, then obviously you would also need to exit after 30-40 pips. Don't make the mistake like target is always 40 pips, but when the market is going in the opposite direction, you are already always holding for 100, 150 pips. No, don't make the mistake. And on the other hand, if you uh, prefer to take risk, okay, if you have the risk appetite, then you can also look for some selling opportunity around 2039 to 2039 to 2042. Why? Because overall the market is sideways, so obviously taking a sell around 2050 is the best thing we can do. But right now there is not much volatility in the market, so in case market goes up, but if you see the market is struggling, market doesn't have much volatility, in that case you can also look for a sell position around 2039, okay, 2039, 2040. or you can say that around this level here. Why? Because you can see we have got multiple selling opportunities around this area. So stay on the 50 minutes time frame. Once you'll see the price is struggling, market is struggling around the area, you can hit the sell button. But keep in mind, risk management is extremely important. And again, I'm repeating that in this market condition, most of the time you'll see market is flat, but sometimes you'll also see unexpected moves in the market, and that is because of low volume in the market. Because in low volume markets, market is easier to manipulate. So let me wrap it up. So overall, the market is sideways. So buy at support, sell at resistance is the best trading strategy in this type of market condition. But right now, due to low volatility, we are looking for some minor trading opportunities in between the chart. So if you're a position trader, swing trader, then obviously buy at support, sell at resistance is the trading strategy for you. But if you're a day trader, then obviously, okay, you cannot wait for the market to hit these levels. It will be a long shot. Okay, so as a result, you can look for quick buy, quick sell around levels. You can look for quick buy around 2022, 201516 and 2010 if market takes support and bounces. On the other hand, if market goes up during the day with low volatility, we can also look for some selling opportunity around 2040, 2042. If market reverses, we can hit the sell button. So in this market, 2050 is still the best resistance, and to continue the upside, because if we look at gold on higher time frame, you'll see that gold is an uptrend. To continue the upside, gold needs to break 2050. Above 2050, we can hope for a position where we can stay for a couple of days to couple of weeks. But right now, that position has not come to on the market yet. You still need to wait for a couple of days, because right now market is a holiday mood mostly. Okay, so that's all from my side, my dear friends. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care.